am very honored to give a presentation on how my Webquest can be used as a effective teaching tool. But before I begin, let me explain to you what actually a Webquest. Webquest. It is a well-developed curriculum unit or lesson that actively engages learners. A Webquest is an inquiry-oriented lesson format. In a Webquest, all the information that learners work with comes from the web. Therefore, in this modern era, where students spend most of their time surfing the internet, a Webquest is one of the ideal teaching tools. It could be used so that children are more interested and intuitive to learn. So let me now explain how the Webquest I have created can be used as an effective teaching tool.
I have created my Webquest using Zoonal.com. The title for my Webquest is The Family, and I have chosen this from 3 home economics curriculum. This Webquest is designed to help students better understand the importance of family in their life and to have a sense of identity and belonging. On the left hand side corner of my Webquest, you can see a list of menus, which are the components of my Webquest. And I have prepared a title page, introduction, task, process, evaluation, conclusion, and teachers page. I have also prepared a authors page, which is a profile about me. Reviews, statistics, export Webquest, share this Webquest are also the features of the Zoonal.com Webquest, though I haven't used them. So now let's begin from the title page. So this is how I have prepared my title page. There is a picture about a family, so that it's eye-catching. It's a bright, colorful picture, so that students get attracted to it. And then I have written the title there, description about my Webquest, and the grade it is suitable for, and the curriculum it is taken from. Then moving to the introduction page. In the introduction page, I have first used a picture about a family, and then I have written a brief short story to describe the picture. And also the students are very attracted to stories, so I have tried to write a short story so that students get more interested in my Webquest. Through going over this story, they will also be able to better understand what they will be expected from me in this Webquest, and how they are going to carry out their task. Then also in the introduction page, after the short story, I have written a brief introduction about what is a family. I have first defined the family and then discussed generally about the components of a family. And over here I have given the links for going over the previous page. It is the title page, so that you don't have to go over the menus every now and then. And then in the introduction page, I have also given the link for the next page, so that you can go directly to the next page while completing this page, so that it's easier and time saving. Then in the task phase, the actual activity to be done has to be discussed. So I have also again inserted a family picture so that it looks a bit creative. And then I have written the actual activity that the children are expected to do in this task. So in this activity, the students are required to make a research on their family history and its structure, the different role or task each member plays to contribute to the structure of the family, the problems encountered as a family and how those problems could be solved or how they were solved. All the information has to be documented, and a 10 minutes PowerPoint presentation has to be given with illustrations or photos of the family using the title My Family, so the children can include their own family pictures. Then moving on to the next page, this is the process page. In the process page, the step-by-step instruction for doing the activity is given. This breaks down the task into more finer details so that the students are clear about what they have to do and they are not beating around the bush. So for first one, the students, before starting to attempt this web quiz, the students have to go through the website and videos given in the resources in order to better understand the concept of family. I have included the resource page together with this process page, so the students will have to go over all these resources by simply clicking on it. For example, if they want to select the video, they can click on the play button over here, and this will directly take them to the video.
Family. A family is typically defined as a mother, a father, and their children.
So this is the video. They will have to go to the YouTube. This video will take them to the YouTube. This video is created by me. I have used the comic video to prepare this video. It's from Go Animate, where you all can go and create your own videos. It's taking time to load. Okay, so this video is created by me. It's about the family roles. So moving on to the other resources. These are the other resources used. Some more videos are there, and the two web pages are given where students can also select by clicking on it, and they will directly go on to the page where they can carry out their research. This will save their time and also prevent them from going over unnecessary information in the internet. Then moving back on to the process page, the next step they have to take is to draw a family tree from both the paternal and maternal side, giving the title My Family Tree. They can also include a picture of their family and give a description of the type of family they have. Then starting from the head of the family, students have to discuss the roles, tasks each member plays to contribute to the structure of the family. They have to identify and state the types of problems encountered in their family, and then explain how these problems were solved or will be solved. Then moving on to the next page, next page is the evaluation page. Over here, the marking criteria for the students is given. They can simply go over this and look what criteria will be used for marking their task so that they are focused on the topic. I have given 10 marks for carrying out research. So the students will get full 10 marks if their research was carried out using a lot of resources. Then 10 marks is for processing information. Okay, the students have to show excellent level of ability in order to analyze and interpret the relevant information, and they have to also include the pictures and diagrams. 10 marks is for the collection of information, 10 marks is for the presentation, and 10 marks is creativity. So altogether students will be awarded 50 marks. This marking rubric can also guide the teachers who want to use this Webquest in teaching the lesson. It will guide them effectively how to mark the Webquest. Then the next page is the conclusion page of the Webquest. In the conclusion page, I have given a bit cartoonist picture so that students get happy that they have finished this Webquest, and I have congratulated them in the conclusion page first so that they feel that they have completed this Webquest successfully and they will have a sense of closure. I've stated that you have completed this Webquest successfully and now you have a better understanding about your family background. You have also learned about the importance of individual members' role in the family and the ways of managing family problems. We hope that you have found this Webquest to be enjoyable and rewarding. So I have mostly concluded what the students have learned in the Webquest. And then moving on to the next page. This is the teachers page. The teachers page gives the instruction to other teachers like you who might want to use this Webquest. It will be as a guideline as how this Webquest can be implemented. So I have written the focus for this Webquest. This Webquest focuses on the topic family and is designed for Form 3 and 4 level students. It can be given as a class-based assessment. This Webquest will help broaden students' level of understanding about their families. Then I have stated the objectives for this Webquest. That is, upon the completion of this Webquest, students will be able to learn about their family history, make a family tree, identify the type of family they belong to, understand the importance of family roles and how it contributes to the structure of the family, explain the family problems and develop strategies to overcome the family problems, and also develop a sense of identity and belonging. This Webquest can be completed within 3 weeks. For teachers activity, so the teachers you have to facilitate students by explaining in detail the importance or significance of doing this Webquest, guide the students and check students progress occasionally, and use the marking scheme provided in the evaluation page to mark the activity and award marks accordingly. And then the last page for this Webquest is the authors page where the profile about me is given. So this brings to the end of my Webquest. I hope that you have found my Webquest a really informative and educational one, and it will be a good resource for you as teachers.